Hey guys, so before we get into it, instead of a quote of the day, I'm going to teach you a quick little history about popping and where it came from. So in the 60s, there was this guy named Sam Solomon, and he was inspired by the Boogaloo that came from Oakland, California, and all the dancing that he saw on TV, that he created his own dance called popping. And so this guy, Sam Solomon, ended up going by the name of Boogaloo Sam. And he had a little brother who loved watching him dance and wanted to do the same cool popping styles that he did. So he taught himself from his brother how to do it, and he's today known as Popping Pete. So Popping Pete and Boogaloo Sam are brothers. They then ended up moving to Long Beach, California, where they got a couple more friends, and they created the group called the Electric Boogaloos. And so they're the ones who all started and created the genre popping within the hip-hop umbrella. And so just a quick little thing, you guys can go to YouTube and look up Electric Boogaloos dancing on Soul Train, and you can see how the OGs did it. So, alright guys, here we go. So we're going to break each part down. The first one that we're going to start with is the neck. So the way that I want to do it is I want to identify the muscle, and then we're going to practice it with some music. Cool? So the first muscle is your neck right here. You can try by just looking in the mirror and seeing your neck pop, or you can actually put your hand to your neck and feel your muscle tense, release, tense, release, tense, release, okay? And the way you want to think of it is if someone came up to you and scared you and all your muscles contracted, your neck tenses up, okay? So that's the muscle that we're going to be using. You're not jerking your neck forward and you're not jerking it back. It's just in place, okay? So we're going to do it with an 8 count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Cool? Alright, next part. We're going to go to the chest. So your chest, all it is a big breath in from your chest. Hold and release, okay? You're not lifting up your shoulders, and you're not breathing to expand your belly the way you would in singing. You're just plumping up your chest. Think like Superman or any superhero that's your favorite, okay? So we're going to breathe in one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. And from the side it looks like this. In. Out. Okay? So I'm not doing this. Yeah? I'm just expanding this part of my chest. Let's do it with an 8 count. Here we go. Pop. Pop, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? So we got our neck and we got our chest. Next, we're going to move on to our arms. So the first part of your arm is your wrist and your forearm, okay? And you kind of want to think of it as starting with a lazy arm. You want your muscles to be completely relaxed, and then you're going to go ahead and tense them up real quick. And when you tense up, your forearm is getting really, really tight, and your wrist locks back straight, okay? As an exercise, we can actually start pretending like we're holding a long rod, and we're gonna squeeze all of these muscles so that we can really feel where they are, okay? Remember, identify and then practice with music. So let's identify these muscles. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, release. So you felt where that was? Now we're gonna try this with music. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten, release. Tighten, release. Tighten, release. Cool? So we got our neck, chest, forearm, and wrist. Now we're gonna work on these muscles. Cool? So all you're gonna do is tighten them like Superman, whatever your favorite superhero is. And then you're going to release them. So you should just see your muscle tighten, release, tighten, release, tighten, release, tighten, release. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Alright, and then lastly, we're going to use our legs. So I want you to think a slight bend down and a slight lift up, but I'm not straightening my leg all the way back. It's still a little bit bent, okay? So my knee is moving back, but your foot, the accent is on your heel. Your heel is gonna go down into the ground, okay? And then you're gonna tighten your leg muscles right here, okay? So you're down, down, other side, down, 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 down.